In this video I'm going to show you how to download photos from Google Drive easily. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive on your iPhone. It works any iPhone. I'm using iPhone 11 right now, and just opening Google Drive on. Just as you can see, here is lots of folder that I created, and just source of your just like this one, and here is lots of photo here. Just I'm going to open this one, and as you can see here is a three dot menu in the top right corner. Tap on three dot menu, and just here's showing send a copy. Tap on send a copy. After that, here showing lots of options, and option is save image. Tap on save image, and it's preparing to export. It's downloaded to photos. Just check it out on photos. Tap on photos, and here is tap on album and tap on recent. As you can see, this photo is showing here, so that way you can download photos from Google Drive easily. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.